Moving school again. Why can't I just stay in one school? Why can't I be accepted in one school? And my windows changed, my outfits changed, my face has changed. Back to normal, just different again. Hi. Oh my gosh, your leg's a bit, I don't really think I'm saying, your leg's a bit odd. What are you looking at? Sorry, no, I don't really know what I'm doing. Uh, I'm inspired by Demi Lovato. Oh my gosh, there's people over here. Hi. Oh, I just died. Hey, I love dancing too. We could like do a dance off. Oh man, I don't know why people don't want to be my friend. Oh, you're a gold digger. You're a teacher. I'm liking this teacher. Hi. Oh, doesn't even want to speak to me. I just, I just wanted to be accepted in a school, like any school. But I don't know who will accept me. I'm different. I'm not even Latin. Most of these people are Latin. I'm American. Look at these people. You're rich and you're cool, but you're also a midget. I'm sorry, but that's what you are. I'm sorry, I'm just so depressed. Dorms. There better be a dorm available. Oh, the cooking. Whoa! It's like very high. Just teleport. I gotta do my homework. Oh my gosh, this book. So awfully red. If you don't mind me saying. Oh my gosh. The girl just. Oh my gosh. Yes, yes, yes. The girl keeps kissing the book. The page just fills out with pictures and I don't like this book anymore. I'm just gonna draw. Mr. Pores from Inquisitor Master. Inquisitor Master is currently my favorite YouTuber. If you didn't know, guys. Oh my gosh, let's read this book that I've got on my head like right now. Alright, I'm done. Are you guys gonna cook? Cheeseburger. That. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so, uh, oh my gosh, I'm trying. Wait, what? Oh, whoops. I guess I'm not fit for cooking. I wonder what other job it's in. Hi. Oh, hey. Have any time to talk? Yeah, but just a little bit. I gotta catch up with my mom. Oh yeah, sure. So my name's Lexie. Oh my gosh. What? My name's Tilly. Hi, Tilly. I was wondering if we could probably be friends. No, not friends. I've got like the little flower thing to get rid of because like my boy is annoying. Oh my gosh, she just disappeared. Oh my gosh. There's a dancing guy here. Maybe if I join in, then, uh, let's try and find out a dance then. I'll do my favorite dance. Uh, woo. So my new school is probably the one where I'm mostly gonna fit in because this is outstanding, like amazing. I'm out of words. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, I'm right in front of you. Why aren't you saying hi to me? Oh, hi. Sorry, I was just part of my Instagram page. I suppose you do have the colors of Facebook there. But please, will someone just be friends with me for God's sake? Oh, angry. I don't want to be angry. What's anger look like? Ugh. Robloxian High School is my new school, guys. And I love this school so far because like most people are from Royal High. Look, he's got wings as well. He must be from Royal High as well. And I just feel like really, really, really welcome here so far. Because we had a few people that were tough to talk to me, didn't really want to talk. Then we had one called Tilly, that she just disappeared out of nowhere. She must have been hiding her wings, or she didn't ever like practice. And you, sir, must have spent ages at Royal High. Your wings are here. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Need to watch where I'm going. Hey, Alex. Oh, uh, there's another kid. I thought it's high school. High school. Yeah. Well, I'm really enjoying my new school so far. Really fun. Really fun. This is. Oh my gosh, this is swimming pool. Maybe we could try it. And we've got wings, so if we fall, we're sort of like the safest one in the school. Apart from the other people, members of Royal High that have recently discovered leaving and coming to this school. But so far, I'm really enjoying it. Backflip, forward, jumping, woohoo! Oh my gosh, that is so fun, guys. Oh, I don't have any words. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woohoo! Ow! Oh, guess I'm not ready for that. I hear skateboards. I heard that you weren't allowed to do skateboards like tricks in school. I hope no one's doing it because that would just be wrong. Never skateboard in school. Not even on the school premises. Why don't people listen? I have things to say, but they're just ignoring me. He must have gone to Royal High School too. Your wings are sort of small. Sorry. I only went for 2 hours. 2 hours? Yeah. Oh, I was there for an entire day. There's someone here that has been for like ages. Ashri, let's go. I wanna try. Whoa. Ugh. Oh, I almost got it, I suppose. Yes! Yes! I'm getting this. Getting the hang of it. I'm running out of arrows. Better go and collect them soon. Oh no, I just messed up again. Well, life is just a game, right? I mean, you die, which means the battle is over, and you come back as a ghost. Like, it's just a game. Because, like, you don't know what's going to happen in that game. An unexpected game is life, basically. That's what I think. Can you stop mumbling out little curses? I'm trying to concentrate. Sorry. I suppose I'm not like him. Oh my gosh, so bad. Excuse me. No, I'm not talking to you. I was talking to myself. I got 63. That's not good, I suppose. Wait on. I'm out of arrows, though. What? Oh, I restarted. Damn. I was actually kind of enjoying this. Yes. You like 10 in a row. Come on. Yes. I'm doing pretty well. Wait for the red to meet the red. Wait. I've got 5. I won't win 100, but I'll probably get 55. Nope. I'm mistaken. Oh man, I'm so bad at this. Hi! Hi! Stop jumping around. Catch up with you. I'm Sasha. Oh, hi. I'm Lexie. Nice to meet you, Lexie. Nice to meet you, Sasha. Um, like my tail? I love you. Would you like mine? I've got it too. Darling, shut up. Sorry. Let's go to the nightclub. Let's boogie. I want to stay up all night. Like, all night. Oh, yeah, boys. Whoa. Alex, this is amazing. Right, let's find some. Woo! Yeah, hey, man. Hey. Leave me alone. I'm trying to clean. Oh, sorry. Woo! Woo. Oh, yeah, sure. Yes. Yes. How are you enjoying this little game? I'm enjoying Alex. But please, like, don't disturb me. I'm trying to dance. Shut that house. Sorry. Very obvious, I suppose. What? I love this song. Ooh. I've got something to say. Hey, you. Send me on Instagram. This is music everywhere. I got it perfect. Ah, get off. Hey, said the word. Hey, them two just booking up there. I wish I had to. I just do a chicken back. This is fun. Okay. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Ugh, it's getting really late. I'm gonna go to bed. Whoa. Oh my gosh, everyone has soju. No. Who's that? It's just me, Emily. Bye. Bye. Wow. Everyone is so nice here. Hi. Hi. What's no? What? Sorry. Bendy. Sorry. It's actually YouTube. Bendy. He's brother with Sketch. I giggle at Sketch, I have to admit. Alright, I Well, it's been so fun here, and I really enjoyed it. I really hope that this can happen more often, because, like, it's fun. I just need to claim this one. Claim dorm, yes. Loading. Wait, what? So this dorm is fancy. What? Oh, Wool's delivery service. What can I get you? I would actually like some. I mean, like, if it's no problem, I'd like some wool. The walls, yeah, it's just some walls. The walls. I just want the wool. Okay, that's fine by me. Okay, I thought it was gonna be like a problem. No, no problem. Oh, well, thank you. I got paid during wins. I just need to block up this because like this is like the lounge and like, people do stuff in the lounge and like they want to keep it a secret. Like, because I definitely do stuff in the lounge that I don't want anyone else to see. Like, know what I'm doing. I don't know why. Like, nobody else can like see, but I just we all have them things, right? How long do these rules have to take? No, it's too. Sorry. It's hard fitting new rules in. I'm definitely going to bed now because like this is taking way too long. It's been a pleasure meeting you all today. But I gotta go to sleep now. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this little tour. If you did, like and subscribe. Peace out, boys.